If you have a gas furnace and the burners keep turning off a few seconds after they light, the problem is usually a dirty flame sensor. Turn off the furnace and remove the cover to the burners. The flame sensor is a straight or bent rod that extends into the flame of one of the burners. It's usually held in place with one screw. Remove the screw and pull out the sensor. You can use a clean bill, very fine emery cloth, or a clean, soft bristle brush to remove the buildup on the sensor. It may not look dirty. Rub it lightly, then replace it. Don't get too aggressive with an emery cloth, you can damage the sensor. Don't use sandpaper, it can leave particles on the sensor. Paper money is safe to use because it's made out of cotton and linen and it isn't too abrasive. Turn on the furnace and check that the burners are staying on. Gently cleaning the sensor once a season can extend its life.